Okay, we're just going to do a cold start today. Oil looks good. It's got gas in it. Let's see what she does. Wave high. What? Said you can wave high. Oh, stalled it. This one's already been serviced and ready to get cleaned up. Go away. Back to the owner. So I'm just going to leave that there out of the snow so I can wash that. Now the other tractor, I have to redo the wiring because it's got a lot of butt connectors on it I want to get rid of, among other problems. Gonna reorganize all this wiring, and it's hard to see in here, but all that dirt on there is from these studs leaking a little bit of oil. Looks like there's some on the guard back there from it leaking off the valve cover. This one's really dirty, and I don't have the hood off, but it's the same dirty mess underneath the shaft in the front. So I'm going to take this all apart and put some gaskets in it when I get the gaskets, but for now I'm going to take the hood off, yank all this wiring out. I think I'll do videos as I do this wiring and how it's all set up. I'm even looking at replacing these gauges someday, but I don't think I'm going to do that right now. Buzzer is just a buzzer, let me know there's no oil pressure. I think the temp gauge works, but the oil pressure gauge doesn't work. The voltmeter is working, and the hour meter is working. Sorry about the noise. That fired up pretty quick considering it's been sitting for over 2 months. So there's a little bit of a shop update, cold start. These Vanguards are pretty darn reliable, man. They put this fuel filter on here just recently. It has a cindered brass screen, and I can clean that out. And I had to replace the fuel line going to the fuel pump when I did that. But thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and have a good day. Bye.